Is underway in Jammu and Kashmir's Kulgam. Exchange of gunfire in the Gudar forest range with the Jammu and Kashmir Police, Army and CRPF at the spot there. So anti-terror operations are currently ongoing. My colleague Sahil Sohail is joining us with the details. Sahil, what are the details? What's happening there? We are told the encounter is currently underway in Kulgam.
Well, this anti-terror operation was stated late last evening, and early today morning there was exchange of gunfire. Security forces, basically Indian Army, has in fact meant to pinpoint the location of terrorists who are hiding inside the Gudar forest area of South Kashmir's Kulgam district. Remember, adjacent to Akhal forest, and we had seen a major operation in last month there in Akhal forest. So it's the same area basically where this operation is at the moment taking place. We are also getting, in fact, from our sources, input sources that there could be, in fact, injuries to, in fact, one or two Army personnel. But as of now, Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, CRPF is jointly conducting this operation. They have, in fact, information about the presence of 2 to 3 terrorists hiding in this forest area. It is dense forest area and multiple challenges before the security forces because it's in fact raining in the area. It's wet weather that prevails around South Kashmir. So as of now, the operation is underway, and the security forces are jointly, in fact, chasing and conducting this anti-terror operation.
Okay, so Sahil, you mentioned that just a few weeks ago there was an 11-day anti-terror operation that was underway where terrorists were said to be holed up. Now, based on the information, is this the continuation of the same operation that is taking place, or what are the details? Is there intel suggesting that terrorists are still holed up there? What are the details?
Well, the Akhal operation was basically, in fact, called off by the security forces, but the Indian Army deployed in South Kashmir's Kulgam district continued to conduct, in fact, tactical coordinate search operations in the area. And now what we are picking up from the sources is that the Gudar is basically adjacent to Akhal, and it's basically the same forest range where this operation is taking place. Basically, Akhal and Gudar forest range falls in the Pir Panjal range of South Kashmir, and in fact, it's adjacent location. There is barely difference of 1 or 2 kilometers between Akhal and Gudar. So it is basically the same area, and we know it for the in fact matter of fact that Indian Army continued to conduct coordinate search operation because it was a lengthy operation. Akhal, we had seen for 11 days, Indian Army and other security agencies continued to, in fact, engage terrorists, but somehow they had managed to shift to other locations. But tactical coordinate search operations had continued in the area, and as a matter of success, security forces managed to now, in fact, trap and track these terrorists in Gudar forest where this operation is taking place.
All right. Sahil, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll come back to you for those.